Introducing the TXC7141 conventional manual call point. A reliable solution for manual fire alarm activation in conventional systems. Designed for fast and effective emergency response, the TXC7141 allows occupants to trigger a fire alarm instantly with a simple press of the plastic dome. Key features include reusable press-type activation with durable plastic dome, 2-wire, non-polarity wiring for simple and flexible installation. Operating on 24 VDC with low standby current consumption, the TXC7141 is energy efficient while delivering reliable alarm signaling performance. Reliable, practical, and easy to deploy, the TXC7141 conventional manual call point is a dependable choice for effective manual fire alarm activation in conventional fire alarm systems.